Hey, it's me, Amy Kranick, with your Sculpey Facebook Tip of the Month. So you know that you can use a heat gun in conjunction with all kinds of liquid Sculpeys, but did you also know that you can use it to make color deeper on Premo Amber Translucent? This is unbaked Premo Amber. This is baked Premo Amber. You can see a big color difference there. And then this Premo Amber Translucent was hit with a heat gun. And you can just see how the surface is very shiny and smooth, and the color is much deeper. So I want to show you how to do that. First, I'm setting these out of the way. Let's talk about protecting your work surface with a silicone pot holder, which I have here. I also have a ceramic tile on top of that, just to keep my work surface safe. I've got my piece right in the middle that I want to heat. This is my heat gun. I got it at a do-it-yourself home improvement store. It's very hot. I know that it gets way over 300 degrees in the high setting. So when I turn it on, it's going to be kind of loud, so I just want you to know that what I'm doing is holding the heat gun 3 to 4 inches over the surface of my clay, and I'm going in a circular rotating motion. So here we go. Heat gun on high. All right, let's take a look. This is our baked piece without the heat gun and our baked piece with the heat gun. And you can just see how much more shine and depth of color that's achieved by adding a little heat to your baked Premo pieces. So that's it for your Facebook Sculpey Tip of the Month.